Bro, how much you score for SAT?
1470 out of 1600.
How long you prepare for that?
Around 20 days, I guess.
What's the secret?
So guys, I did something pretty different than what generally students do. Guys, just consider a scenario. Let's assume there is a classroom of around 50 students. The professor teaches in the classroom. But when the examination is taken, all those students do not score the same. So what's the difference? Guys, the difference is in the way the students prepare for a particular examination.
Yes, that's true. So there are two subjects being tested in SAT, math and English. So bro, how do you prepare for English?
I used two books. The first one was Barron's publication New SAT and the second one was Erika L. Merzer for SAT and the website Khan Academy website. Guys, what I did was I used to solve questions from Barron's publication, the whole question paper at once, just like I would in the real examination. I used to convert my room into an examination hall and solve questions according to the given time frame as of the real examination. Then after calculating the marks, I used to collect all the wrong questions and sort them topic-wise. Now guys, here comes the interesting part. Then I used to solve questions from only those topics which were wrong by using the second book, Erika L. Merzer, because in Erika L. Merzer, the questions are given topic-wise and it's easy to focus on your weak points.
It is very useful for you to focus on one specific topic when you are not good at it. Just practice with that specific topic again and again.
For comprehensions in English, the skimming method really works.
What is the skimming method?
Skimming method is a way of solving comprehension questions, especially in SAT. What you have to do is that you do not have to read the paragraph carefully. All you have to do is just skim over the paragraph. It means you don't take all the details, but only gather the overall idea from the paragraph.
It is very important because it really time saving. During the test, time is one very important thing to consider with.
Exactly guys, and if you skim over, it's pretty easy and saves you a lot of time. Then you start reading questions and solving questions. The second method for English is by reading the questions first and then skimming on the paragraph. Now what happens that when you read the questions first and when you start reading the paragraph, you get an idea of which area of the comprehension or the paragraph you have to focus on. Because in the back of your head, you already know the questions, so it's easier to understand which area you have to focus on in the comprehension.
Basically, when you're skimming, you narrow the paragraph down, lock to one specific part that you're looking for answer, and which is time saving again.
So guys, this is how I prepared for my English. Now guys, let's move on to maths.
So guys, math is actually easier comparing to English. There are two sections in math. One is using calculator, and the second one is you cannot use calculator. The questions are generally pretty easy, but the last couple questions in non-calculator section is very time-taking. The question could take 5 to 6 lines. You need to balance the whole time for a math section.
Yes guys, you can apply the same methods as we discussed for English to study for math section. Just focus on those areas where you are weak and use the book Erika L. Merzer or the Khan Academy to solve questions from that topic only to strengthen your weak points and build up your confidence.
So guys, keep practicing. If you feel like you're not good at math or English, just get started right now and start doing it. Put more time and effort into it. Eventually, you will get a good mark. There's one way to success: persistence.